Hello and welcome to $3 TV. I am Ruchi Sharma.
And I am Vishakha Thakur. A lot happened in the world of digital assets this week, and we are breaking it all down for you. So let's get started.
Metaplanet has drawn a fresh $130 million loan from its Bitcoin-backed credit facility to fund additional Bitcoin purchases, income generation strategies, and potential share buybacks.
Well, with this draw, the company has used $230 million of its $500 million facility.
The loan, executed on November 21st, is secured by Metaplanet's holdings of 30,823 BTC valued at around $3.5 billion.
And management said that its reserves provide strong collateral protection even during volatility.
Meanwhile, real estate mogul Grant Cardone purchased 888 BTC for his 10x Boca Raton fund. Combining multi-family unit with Bitcoin, Cardone's hybrid fund aims to provide investors both real estate stability and Bitcoin upside.
And this purchase follows a similar strategy, adding 500 BTC previously, while Cardone highlighted his fund's actual business and cash flow, differentiating from other Bitcoin treasuries.
Moreover, Bitcoin treasury firm DDC has added 100 BTC to its holdings during the recent market pullback, taking its total to 1,183 BTC.
Also, the firm said it views the dip as a strong long-term opportunity, unlike larger sector players that buy at fixed intervals.
So DDC now holds Bitcoin at average cost of $106,952 per BTC.
Management highlighted that Bitcoin yield improved in the second half of the year, rising to 122%.
So CEO Normu Chu said DDC operates with discipline and long-term conviction. Following the update, DDC shares surged 22% to $3.465.
Now, simultaneously, SpaceX moved more than $105 million worth of Bitcoin to new wallets, continuing its quiet restructuring of digital reserves.
The aerospace firm transferred 1,163 BTC across two fresh addresses, marking its first major activity since October.
And the company now holds 6,095 Bitcoin valued at about $556 million. Analysts suggest the transfers could reflect updates to security protocols or internal custody changes.
So SpaceX has periodically reorganized its wallets amid past market turbulence and continues to manage its holdings without adding new BTC since 2022.
In another interesting update, Texas has taken a significant step towards creating a state-level Bitcoin reserve by purchasing $5 million worth of BlackRock's iShares Bitcoin Trust.
So this move is part of the Texas Strategic Bitcoin Reserve Initiative, which earlier secured $10 million in state funding.
Well, officials said the ETF purchase acts as a temporary placeholder while the state finalizes custodial arrangements and prepares a formal request for proposal.
Texas aims to become the first U.S. state to establish long-term crypto reserves, with other states expected to follow.
Meanwhile, Grayscale spot Dogecoin ETF debuted with $1.4 million in trading volume, far below analyst Eric Balchunas's $12 million expectation. Well, he noted that it was solid for an average ETF launch, but low for a first-ever spot Dogecoin product.
So Bitwise is also set to follow with its own Dogecoin ETF after NYSE Arca filed for approval and certification.
So the new products arrive amid a surge in crypto ETFs after SEC relaxed listing norms in September, prompting issuers to test demand for more speculative tokens like Dogecoin.
Furthermore, the Trump family has recorded more than $1 billion in losses as its crypto-linked investments collapsed during the recent market downturn.
Well, Bloomberg reports that their portfolio has sharply declined over the past few months, driven by a steep fall in the Trump meme coin, which has lost another 25% since August.
So Eric Trump's Bitcoin mining venture has also seen its valuation cut nearly in half, while Trump media shares have sunk to near record lows despite Bitcoin accumulation.
The family's net worth has now slipped from $7.7 billion to $6.7 billion.
In another interesting update, the United Arab Emirates has enacted a major regulatory overhaul for decentralized finance and Web3 platforms through Federal Decree Law No. 6 of 2025, effective from September 16.
So the law gives the UAE Central Bank oversight of crypto platforms, digital payments, stablecoin services, and blockchain-based financial activities.
crypto lawyer Irina Hewer said the rules close long-standing loopholes, meaning DeFi protocols can no longer claim exemption by saying they are just code.
Where licensing is mandatory for projects offering payments, trading, lending, or tokenization services, with fines reaching 1 billion dirhams for violations.
Well, that's all in this episode of the Weekly Wrap. This is Mirchi Sharma signing off.
And this is me, Vishakha Thakur, signing off. For more such updates, do log on to our website www.3versetv.com or scan the QR code. Have a great weekend.